Hey KBFers, Chad Hoover, Kayak, Bass, and TV, and this is my just the tip for you when it comes to fishing with buddies that always have the latest and greatest thing. Now, actually, it's any fishing buddy. Here's how it works. So let's just say you've got this lure, and it looks like it'll work. In theory, it should work. All of the marketing and advertising says it works, but you just don't have confidence in it, all right? And you don't want to invest precious time in figuring out if it'll work. What you do is you throw that in your tackle box. And when you head out fishing, if you got a buddy, you know, the more enthusiastic they are, the better this tip works. But you just look over at them and say, hey, dude, have you tried this new whatever, insert lure here, okay? And they go, no, man, I ain't heard of that. You say, dude, they have been freaking smashing them on this thing. And you got to sell it. You got to be like, oh, man, they are annihilating it. Then what you do is you take that lure and you act like you've only got one of them and go, man, you haven't fished this thing? Here, dude, try this. You give them the lure and you let them fish with it for a couple hours. Now, if they start smashing the bass, you know that the lure works and you can buy more and you can pass that one on to your buddy for helping you out. But if it doesn't work, then you didn't waste precious time throwing that lure. You can mark it off the checklist and then you can just chalk it up to him. You can tell him, well, man, I killed him on it. I don't know what you're doing wrong. And you just know that you've maximized your time out on the water. So that's my tip of the week. I call it the buddy lure concept. So if you've got that guy that's super enthusiastic about buying all the latest and greatest things, they're the perfect guinea pig to help you test lures out, but not to find out if they'll catch fish. Well, yeah, find out if they do, but to also find out if they don't. So now, if you really want to be vindictive, if you've got a lure that you know won't catch fish, you can do the same thing to people that aren't as good of friends. So anyway, I'm Chad Hoover, Kayak, Bass, and TV. That's my just a tip called the buddy lure. So do me a favor, comment below. Tell me if you think that's cruel. Tell me if you've done it before yourself, or if you do it and you have success with the buddy lure concept, then come back and comment below. Let me know how it worked out. And then if you've caught fish with the buddy lure after your buddy helped you confirm it, then definitely come back and comment below. As always, if you like this comment, click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to Kayak, Bass, and TV. And don't forget to go up and turn on your notifications so you know every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching, and please, please comment. And as always, subscribe to Kayak, Bass, and TV. Hey, Troy, I got this new lure I want you to try. Yeah, dude, they are freaking killing it.